Picture this. You send the message. You wait. You refresh the screen like your worth is hiding behind 3 dots. You showed effort. You showed care. You did everything they told you a good man should do. And somehow, you became invisible. Here's the truth no one warned you about. The moment you chase, something inside her shuts down. Every woman, without exception, is hardwired to respond to strength before kindness, not cruelty. Strength. This isn't romance. It's biology. Her brain chemistry reacts to uncertainty, not reassurance. Dopamine spikes with anticipation, not predictability. When you chase, you remove the mystery. When you overinvest, you collapse the tension. Your effort doesn't signal love. It signals availability, and availability kills desire. Here's the emotional mechanism at play. Your attention becomes predictable. Her brain stops releasing dopamine. The reward system shuts off. You text first. You apologize for things you didn't break. You wait. She replies slower, cancels more, stops respecting your time, not because she's evil, but because her nervous system has categorized you as safe, not valuable. This is not conscious. It's programmed. Case 1, the man who listens to her trauma for hours, but never gets touched. Case 2, the guy who pays, plans, reassures, and gets replaced by a man who barely texts back. Case 3, you, watching her energy change the moment you show how much you care. Every man learns this lesson too late. Modern culture told you to chase. Movies, dating apps, soft-spoken relationship advice. They trained you to overextend emotionally, to confuse self-sacrifice with masculinity. But here's the uncomfortable truth, my friend. A man who chases has no leverage, and the market does not respect low value. Eventually, something breaks. You feel resentment, exhaustion, a quiet self-disgust. You realize you abandoned your mission for someone who never asked you to. That's the destruction point. Attraction cannot be negotiated. Desire cannot be earned through effort. Every woman responds to presence, not pleading. All men lose power when they chase validation. This isn't cruelty, it's reality. So you stop chasing. You redirect energy into your body, your purpose, your silence. You let women choose or walk. And suddenly, they feel it. Not your words, your absence. That's when everything changes.